Hello everyone, in this video we will be seeing LeetCode problem reorder power of 2. So you are given an integer n and what we have to do is we have to reorder the digits in any order including the original order such that the leading digit is not 0 and we have to return true if it is the resulting the number is power of 2. What does this mean? Uh, Say for example, now 1 is there here. 1 is true. Even you can reorder it only in one way and it is power of 2 to power 0. So it can be written as true. Uh, and then followed by say 48 is there. Okay. The 48 number can be reordered into 84. But this cannot be the power of 2, so we can return it as false. Okay, and then say 46 is there, which can be reordered in the form of 64, and we can return it as true. Let's say, for example, we have a number 0241. This can be reordered in the form of 421. We should not keep leading number here as 0 as the value of 0421 is 421 only. And we can reorder it as 4021 or we can reorder it as 1024. 1024 is power of 2 power 10. So this can be written as true. So here we can see there are multiple ways in which we can reorder a number. How to be precise, like n factorial ways, we can reorder the number. So we can keep the first digit, all the 4 possible digits, and into next one digit we have consumed, so remaining 3 digits, so we can keep it in 3 ways, 2 ways, and 1 way. The last digit we can keep it in 1 way. So overall n factorial possible ways are there. So and in n factorial possible ways, one of the way will be to one of the number in n factorial numbers, we have to get one of the number is, we have to see if one of the number is power of 2. So how we can do the brute force idea is very straightforward and simple. We have to take each and 2041, we have to have a list of digits, how many times we are getting each digit. Say for example 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on up till 9, 7, 8 and 9. We have to get all these digits, how many times we are getting. We are getting one time, one time, one time and one time. So what we have to do is we have to get all the digits and generate all the possible permutations and see if one of the permutation is a power of 2. So this could be method 1, but there could be a simple method. The simple method could be to even if it is in um, any number, any combination, if you sort it, all will be in the non-decreasing order. What do I mean to say is, say 2041 we have if we can sort these digits, okay, and 0 4 sorry 0 1 to 4, 0 1 2 4, and even 1024, if you sort that number, you will be getting at 0 1 2 and 4. If you can sort these digits and see if these two are equal, then you can say that um, this this number can be reordered into the power of 2, into the power of 2. But what we have to do is we have to see which power of 2 this number can be equated to. You have to see from 1 to 2 power 31, okay, or 2 power 30. Like that, you have to see the which number it matches to. I mean, like all possible combination of 2 power numbers we have to see. So, uh, so whole idea is that. So let us see the code how we can write. We have taken a string, sort string function. We have created a sort string function. What does it do? It takes the number and that number is converted to a string and we are sorting the string. So once we take a number, say 22041, it would be here. What will happen is this whole number will be converted into a string format. So it will be converting into 2041 and then followed by what we are trying to do here is we are trying to sort this string. Okay, it will be giving us in a lexicographical order. Okay, and then finally what we are trying to do is we are trying to take the numbers from we are trying to check the which 2 power it is equal to. So we will be checking from 2 power 0 to 2 power 31. So here is like how we can do like 2 power 0, we will give it to again to sort string function. We will see whether these strings are matching. If they are matching, then we will return it as true. Otherwise, we will return it as false. So let us see. See, all the test cases have passed, and let's submit the code. Okay, all the test cases have passed. Okay, that's it. Thank you.